upstairs. He fucking overdosed in his room. Go ahead. I'm not fucking dealing with this.
Hey.
It's on the floor upstairs. What?
Let's just talk first.
Hey.
Hey.
I have nothing to fucking say. Go get the fucking gun. How about you do that? It's his.
He's your dog.
He's fine.
Okay.
He's fucking half blind and deaf.
Okay.
I want him arrested.
What did he do to you, Jack?
Look at my fucking face. He fucking nodded out and I had to break in the fucking door. I've been fucking down here. Look at I've been cleaning everything, scrubbing the fucking couch. He is a fucking idiot. He'll come down here, I'll start something, and then, God knows, go nod out somewhere. I'm done. I'm not dealing with him. So I'm arrested. Call his fucking mom, because I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm not joking.
Okay.
I lived here for 3 fucking months. I've established residency. I'm not doing this.
Well, first we'd like to just talk to you, and then I'll go look at the gun and the heroin.
No, yeah, please go get it.
We will. We just got to figure out what's going on.
So how did it start? You tell us yourself.
He's been doing heroin for like 2 weeks. Can I charge my phone? I'll show you the messages. Just call his mom. Call his mom. Call his mom. I don't want to say another word. Call his mom.
Okay. So we could talk about that after. But what happened today with the physical part? You got punched in the face?
Yeah, I got punched in the face because he came out of his room out of a dope rage. So I'm done.
What were you guys arguing about? About him being doped out, or?
Yeah, he's been doped out for 8 days. I'm done. I want him out of my life. And I honestly was talking to his mom. I'm trying to help the kid and save him. But he nodded out. Yes, I thought he was dying. And I had to open up the door. And he came out and he snapped. I just now found my phone. It's dead. I'm done. I've been trying to put his house together because he wanted me to come make his house a home.
So you called the police in somebody else's house? Not appropriate.
I'm done. So, and I'm pretty for sure he's not supposed to have a gun, so.
He doesn't have a FOID card or anything?
No. And I've been cleaning this house. Take a fucking look. I'm done. I was scrubbing the fucking... Dude, do you guys not see all the garbage on the side? And all this shit over here? He had fucking crackheads here trash his house. He don't have a license for a gun.
Jessica, can we go back?
My name's not
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Actually, you know what? You guys, no. I'm not pressing charges. You guys need to leave. I'm not allowing you in the house. So go.
Well, he allowed us in the house.
She's about to go to jail.
Oh, okay. Go get him so he can show you his gun because it's right on his... He's gonna shit his fucking pants because he don't think... He was so fucked up he don't even know it's there. And the bags are dope. The bags of dope are right next to it. Go get him. One of you guys go get him.
None of
We have an officer with him right now. We're just letting him finish.
No, I want him to show you that he's got a fucking gun here. I'm not playing this shit. Absolutely fucking not. This is garbage. Excuse me. I'm gonna finish fucking doing what I'm doing because he's a fucking scumbag.
So you don't want charges anymore, right?
No. He can go to jail for his gun. I don't give a fuck.
Give me a second. Let me talk to him.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
No, it's okay. Just
Is it
hold
okay
on.
if I go up there? Like, I don't want to go up there.
If you can't, just wait a minute. They're gonna figure out what's going on with him.
Yeah, yeah, that's a fucking real gun. That's all.
You think after everything you said, they're gonna allow you to go up there? That's a no. Never.
I believe you 100%. We just got to figure out step one before we can move on to that.
Well, I'm not leaving.
If you've lived here for 3 months, we can't make you leave.
I just paid all the bills. He just spent. I gave him $800 the other day, and you know what? I went through his phone. He went to the city and bought heroin. I'm done. I've took it from him several times. I even called his mom. His mom told me to just try to be strong and stick with him because she's already gave up on him. He can go to jail. I don't care.
I mean, you guys got to make a decision on your relationship. How long have you been together?
3 months.
3 months.
Yep. No, 6 months.
Do you mind if I come up
You
with you?
just cleaned up and it's all this shit on the stairs? You didn't just clean up. You was going through his house trying to find some money and some dope.
Yeah.
I didn't mind. No, you're not allowed up here until he...
Okay. No, I thought...
you.
Okay.
Where's my phone so I can take a picture of this shit? Because I get blackmailed like nothing.
Nobody's looking at you for that.
Yeah, well...
I thought you just said your phone was dead.
He's got a knife out and everything. I'm fucking seriously done. Throwing
That's not illegal.
milk.
I mean...
I'm seriously, I'm disgusted. My dad was a fucking heroin addict and died of heroin. I told him that was a fucking deal breaker. This is the shit he does. This is scummy as fuck. Drinking out of a fucking milk carton. This is literally, I'm trying to put this back together, and he's upstairs nodding out. I'm not leaving, and I swear to God, I will fucking kill everybody if you guys try and arrest me.
We can't make...
Whoa, that's called a threat on a Leo. But when a lot of people don't know, which I just found this out recently, when people overdose on whatever, if you drink milk, it'll bring you back to life, apparently. I didn't know that, but
You leave.
Thank you.
That's.
I'm not leaving.
I'm telling you, that's not our goal here. We're just trying to come to a peaceful resolution.
Okay. All right. Well, go deal with him then, because I'm gonna finish my house.
Well, I have to sit here with you. They're over
Well, I'm
there talking
fine.
with them.
I'm fine. I'm just glad that he's not in this house right now.
Is that your mom's house right next door?
No, that's a meth head.
No,
He
oh,
sells
okay,
drugs
okay.
to that fat bitch.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
tell her everything.
He's lucky to go over there and knock her teeth out. Can you please stand back by the door?
I can stand right here.
Thank you.
You've been making statements you want to kill him.
Really? I would have blown his head off if I was. Okay? Thank you. The gun's upstairs on the floor. I would have killed him already.
You give me permission to go look at the gun?
No, go get him and I'll go out back.
So let's just
Go
stop.
get him so he can show you.
Let's just stop bringing stuff up upstairs if you're too afraid to even show us, because it's obviously
No.
not up there.
Go then.
Take me.
Go. No, go ahead. I'm taking you anywhere.
Okay.
It's his. And if he ain't in here, I'm not allowing you to go up there. He owns this house.
What's up? She does this every time, just ignore it.
You motherfucker.
Okay, Jackie.
Oh,
You. Bye
you
then.
going to
Bye.
jail.
I
Get
have
out.
permission from him to be here.
Okay, great, cool.
Cool.
Then tell him to come
You're
here and
going to
show you.
We're still working with him, and obviously this is
Cool.
how we have to work with you.
Okay.
Because you do this every time.
This is. I don't give a. I don't know you, and I don't give a.
We know you.
No, you know my
Okay.
sister, so shut the up.
Okay, yeah, you're so
No.
understandable.
This is crack. This is meth. This is quite the opposite of what he's into. Cause I believe bro was up there off of Xan or something, nodding out, drinking milk, going in and out, eating, and he just waited on the perfect time. Gave her ass $40. She got booted up. Now she's about to go to jail. Now he has a reason to evict her ass from the crib.
Right?
Yeah, you're.
Okay.
Because I've never done this before. Learn your shit, you dumb motherfucker.
Yeah,
You get out. Get the out. You can go. I'll talk
you
to
don't
him.
run the scene, Jack.
You don't either, motherfucker.
Right now I do.
Yeah, no, the you don't.
promise
No,
He
you
does,
don't.
flat booty ass.
Get the out. I will have fun talking to him. Bye.
No.
You want to talk to him? I'll go out the
I'm
back
an officer
door.
with him.
Then if you want him to go show you his gun, it's upstairs on the floor.
I'm not asking about the gun anymore.
Okay. What the fuck do you want?
There is
I have to
no
wait for the other officer to finish up with him.
Okay.
So we can
what
see how
what do
you two
want?
could get along for the night. Because you're the one you want to leave, right?
No, let's go on the porch. Go, come on, let's
I'll
go.
sit on the porch with you. Let's
Okay,
go.
let's
You
go.
first.
Get the go. I'm going.
You first.
No,
No, I said
motherfucker.
this
You
one
see
right.
that? I'm not
I'm
closing
happy
the
you
door.
got
Get
it.
the going.
You touch an officer and you go,
I'm going outside.
Yeah,
Move,
go.
motherfucker.
Jackie.
Tell your fucking guy to
talk
move.
to me for a
Oh my fucking god. Get
Chill.
the out.
there we go.
You didn't have to fucking stand in front of me. What do you got, herpes, motherfucker? Get the fuck out.
What is that?
Calm
Yeah,
down.
Kingston. No, I don't need you violating my fucking privacy. Get the fuck out. Ow, the porch is out there.
No, we are staying right here. This is
Cool.
where I draw the line, okay?
This is where. No,
Do not.
I can stand right fucking here. I can
Yeah,
stand.
brother, you are not closing the door on me.
Move. I'm not fucking joking. Until I'm
I am
under
not
arrest,
either. I have been
I'm
patient
not
with
detained.
you. I have been patient with you.
I've been
Have I
patient with you.
not been patient and respectful?
Yes, so move your fucking foot.
No, I
Move.
will not.
Get the fuck out of the way. I swear to God. Here.
You're
You about
gonna
get
close the door.
battery on the lead.
You're almost just like his dopey ass.
Should've
Yeah,
just
I
left.
just did all this shit. Yeah, I'm fucking done cleaning up after a bunch of fucking junkies. Have fun, you're going to jail.
2 pissy ass mattresses on the outside living room with that night. She's about to go to jail, bro. She's gonna do a good 90 days. That's crazy. She's gonna come back to this man, writing him all kind of sweet ass letters. Pissy
I'm out.
ass.
I don't know what you want, but what? What are we doing here?
Smoke you a
Because I'm
Happy
not
Newport.
fucking leaving. You guys ain't gonna listen that he's got fucking drugs up there on the floor?
Will you take
he
us?
just overdosed.
Will you
Go!
take us to seize those?
I don't own this house. I can't.
You are a resident.
You know what? Let's see what he fucking says. Huh? If you don't like your job, you should fucking do it.
Oh, I love my job. Good to help out all the nice people in the community like
Yeah,
yourself.
nice fucking people. Yeah, you got bigger fish to fucking fry. People with fucking guns. Yeah.
Well, we would like to seize the
Lord,
gun
it's not
and
even
the drugs so we could at least charge them
It's
for that.
upstairs.
We need your permission to go up and get it.
Hey, Joe. They want my permission. Your gun, your knife, and your drugs are upstairs on your floor. Do I give him your? Do I have your permission? No. Get the fuck out. Tell him to get out now.
Do you see what this? I'm confused. They said we need your permission. You just yelled at a criminal that has all kind of illegal substances and all kind of illegal. Why would he? That doesn't even make sense. Even if he did say no, sounds like they just need you to say yeah. So I don't understand. I'm confused.
Tell them to get the out then.
Okay.
Tell them to go. He said he told you guys. They're trying to get me to let them upstairs. Get them the out of here.
Okay, so once he already gave us permission, we're here for an investigation. We are not leaving.
Okay.
That's flat
Fine.
out it.
Okay.
You keep saying you want something done with the guns and drugs, but you do not want to let us up
Because
there.
I'm not gonna have it come down on me.
It's
so
not
no,
gonna
thank
come
you.
down on you.
You just snitched on the World Wide Web. Bro. She obviously is too twacked out to understand that this is going to go viral. You're putting on a great performance right now. This, I think, got 1 million views in a day or two. This is very entertaining. It's going to go viral.
No thanks.
No part of that. You're the reporting person.
Nope.
No part of that.
Yeah, because I'm pregnant and I am not dealing with his mom.
God.
Leave.
This whore, excuse me, I don't know if she's a whore, but this whore is pregnant too? God, John, you're really doing nothing good with your life. You own a house, that's kind of cool. You got a bike, a table, 2 pissy ass mattresses, so you just got a new bed. What do you got going on, sir? You just got hurt, bro. If she really is pregnant, she's probably not gonna be pregnant for it. That baby is not gonna be a baby. That baby is gonna be vanilla pudding in about 3 days if she keeps on going down this path.
Eva, go deal with him.
They are dealing with him.
Good. Can I go to drink?
Yes, you can. I'm coming in with you, though.
I don't give a I paid the bills. I'm not leaving. I don't give a
No, I'm telling you, at this moment, we're not looking at you to get out. I mean, all we can do is strongly suggest one of you guys leave, but you're both residents here, so.
I know. Have him stay the night over there. Do you want clothes, sweetheart, or do you need drugs still? Don't ever try to talk to me, you fat bitch. Fuck you, bitch. I will go over there and I will kill that.
Please just ignore.
And don't keep threatening it. And he's making love to the next door neighbor for sure. If he's supposed to be this addict, yeah.
Junky ass fat. I want to show you.
I'm not for it. I know that.
Him,
I mean, you don't want him to get in trouble. You want him to get his act straight. I
He needs help.
understand that.
He needs help. I don't know what to
You
do.
know
I'm sick of waking him up
I'm saying
30 times a day and asking him, are you good? Are you breathing? What? You want to go up there? Because I'm not allowing anybody up there without his permission to come in. I'll go outside. I don't care.
Let's go stay on the front porch again then.
Go get him because you're not coming in this house. This is his house. So go get him and you can go up there with him. No?
This time he has marks and whatever, and he wants to press charges
So do I.
for domestic battery.
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay, so this time you're being placed under arrest for domestic
No
battery.
bullshit. You want to go upstairs then?
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
So stand up. Put
No,
your hands behind your back.
no. He even
Jacqueline,
told
I'm
me
only
I
going to tell you one
established
time.
residency.
Stand up.
No,
Jackie.
you're coming up. Fuck that. You are not touching. Not touching. Look.
Cleaned up? What is all of that? What did you clean up?
Put your hands behind your...
And
You're under arrest. No!
That nigga, she's not pregnant, and that nigga just tried to press charges on you after you tried to protect him. Beautiful.
Kidding me?
Jackie,
Wow.
hands behind
All
your
right.
back. Put your
Okay.
hands behind your back.
Let me go.
Just comply.
That's my dog. That's
Put
my
your
dog.
hands behind your back.
Fuck.
You're under arrest.
Jackie.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Jackie,
I'm going down the
Stop
stairs.
fucking with this shit. Run away.
Motherfucker, you turn the
Around. Fight with me.
Oh, get the
Jackie,
off
you
of
need
me.
to stop.
Let go of me.
Jackie, you
Get off.
You got me up. Get the off me.
Stop
If
fighting.
I am pressing charges against you, mother.
Fucking press charges.
Jackie.
Stop fighting. You kicked me in the fucking balls.
You motherfucker. You don't touch me. You better call the cops.
Hit me.
They should have just let her fall down the stairs, to be honest. After all that she just did, she'll survive.
Hey. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on,
crack. And
Hey, that's it. I'm wearing one.
Let go.
Jackie, keep walking.
Let go of me, motherfucker.
Under arrest. Stop the shit. Go. Let's go.
Can I have my water? Get a fucking drink. No.
Damn,
Go, buddy.
Get a fucking
Go,
drink.
buddy.
Here. Let go of me like that. Ah, you guys are
He just
fucking
made
so
that man drop his camera, man.
so. Get the off me. You.
Okay. You just threatening niggas' kids. What did you get charged with, Jax?
Right now, it's 5 blocks away. Wilson, shut the f***ing door.
I'm pressing charges.
This suspect, Jacqueline, was charged with domestic battery, felony, aggravated battery to a police officer, and resisting obstructing. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to domestic battery in exchange for the other charges to be dismissed. She was sentenced to 24 months of probation and ordered to undergo drug addiction treatment, alcoholic treatment, and attend anger management.
Sexy. Jackie, you deserve it. It is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the band. You the band. We the band together, man. Life is in the brass. Breathe it in. Good peace. Peace.